Sa pagdiriwang ng ika-18 founding anniversary ng Jose T. Quiboloy National High School sa Tamayong, Davao City, binigyang pugay ang mga individual at grupong naging katuwang sa paglago ng institusyon. Ang iba pang detalye sa ulat ni Jean Domingo.
18 taon ng serbisyo at edukasyon ang ipinagdiwang ng Jose T. Quiboloy National High School. Sa gitna ng selebrasyon, naging highlight ang pagbibigay ng espesyal na pagkilala kay Pastor Polo C. Quiboloy at sa SMNI bilang mga pangunahing stakeholder ng paaralan.
It is very important the support of the stakeholders. It's because the school cannot stand alone. It needs help from external and internal stakeholders in implementing its programs, activities, and projects for the benefit of our learners. So we are very thankful for all the stakeholders in the school, especially the KOJC, headed by Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, for extending fully its support to the school throughout the years, throughout the 18 years of its existence.
Ang nasabing paaralan na matatagpuan sa Barangay Tamayong, Davao City ay naitatag sa pamamagitan ng malaking tulong at inisyatibo ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Layunin nito na mabigyan ng dekalidad na edukasyon ang mga kabataan sa malalayong komunidad ng Davao.
For the past 18 years, the school stood strong to the diverse challenges it faced throughout the years. We can say that the school is passionate, built enough to serve the mixed cultures of Tamayong. We have learners here that belong to the Muslims, Christians, and also the Bagobo. So we are looking always forward to address the diverse needs of the learners, especially in bringing quality education to all the constituents of Barangay Tamayong.
Sa loob ng halos 2 dekada, hindi lamang pasilidad kundi pati na rin ang suporta sa mga programa ng paaralan ang naging kontribusyon ni Pastor Apollo at ng SMNI. Ang plake ng pagkilala ay simbolo ng pasasalamat ng administrasyon ng paaralan at ng komunidad sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa kanilang mga adhikain para sa mga mag-aaral.
First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to the KOJC, Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, for his support to the school throughout the years, throughout the 18 years of existence of Jose T. Quiboloy Senior National High School, to all our stakeholders, parents, students, teachers, and all the community stakeholders present here in Tamayong, especially in JTQ NHS. My heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to all of you for extending your help throughout the 18 years of the school, and also to our partners, the SMNI, for always capturing the important moments of the school and showing, not just in Davao City but throughout the world, that the school is doing its best to cater all the learners here in Tamayong. And with that, I am very, very honored and grateful for all of you. Thank you and mabuhay.
Sa pagtungtong sa ika-18 taon, patuloy ang pangako ng paaralan at ng mga stakeholder na lalo pang pag-ibayuhin ang serbisyo para sa kinabukasan ng kabataang Dabawenyo. Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, Jean Domingo, SMNI News.